Online learning assessment form. Headings. Headings are various text fields which can be used as titles for assessment tasks, instructions, and forms. Headings 1 is the biggest heading. Click the blue pencil icon to edit its properties. Type the title on the input text. This heading is mostly used as the main title. Edit the font, size, and color as needed. Headings 2 is the subheading. Click the blue pencil icon to edit the properties. Headings 2 is mostly used as a subheading of Headings 1. The font, size, and color of Headings 2 can also be edited as needed. You may also choose to show the headings to only the graders by turning on the Show Only for Grader toggle. Headings 3 is the last heading used in the table of contents. Click the blue pencil icon to edit its properties. The font, size, color, and alignment can be edited as needed. Headings 4 is mainly used as table titles. Click the blue pencil icon to edit the properties. The font, size, color, and alignment can be edited as needed. Headings 5 is used to add content. Click the blue pencil icon to edit its properties. The font, size, color, and alignment of the text can be edited. You may add a label text in all the headings. To show the label and sublabel text, turn on the Show Block toggle. You may edit the font, size, color and alignment of the label and sublabel text as needed. Headings 6 is the smallest headings you may use. Click the blue pencil icon to edit its properties. Under the label text, turn on the Show Block toggle. You may add the instructions and titles in the label and sublabel text. Heading 6 can be used to add description to the table or as a postscript. The font, size, color, and alignment can be edited as needed. You may add the marking guide in the Marking Guide tab. This can be done to all the headings. Click Save Form when done. When you export the Word file at the end of the attempt, the file would show a table of contents. The highlighted part is Headings 1. It is used as a main topic. This is Headings 2. This is used as subtopics under Headings 1. Headings 3 is the last level used in the table of contents. It acts as a subtopic under Headings 2. You have now used the headings fields.